gene's genetic markers, effectively carbon dating each woman on a cellular level.
English, sugar?
Jean Doe is older, the proper age. Yours, while identical, is not. But you figured it out. We're in hell. While I share Sinister's apparent affection for Dante's Inferno, I must ask how he's exerting this much power over our perceptions of reality. Where the devil, my son? Not a Lewis Carroll fan! A little help, please! Oh, God. Nathan. It's a techno-organic virus strain. Sinister was likely exposing Nathan to it in the hopes of making him...
Wait! This is your home, too. How much do you remember? It's strange, but most everything. Then you know how much I've wanted to go, to start a new life.